Becoming a full-time freelancer in today's digital world isn't just a dream. It's a realistic career path for anyone ready to take control of their time, income, and growth. But to succeed, you need a clear plan, not guesswork. So here's your step-by-step roadmap to becoming a confident and financially independent freelancer. Step 1. Identify your skill. Start by asking, what can you do that solves problems or creates value for others? It could be writing, design, video editing, marketing, coding, or even managing social media. If you feel like you have zero skills, don't worry, start learning. Platforms like Coursera, YouTube, and Skillshare offer free tutorials where you can learn the basics in just a few weeks. Step 2. Choose your niche. Instead of trying to do everything, focus on one thing you can become known for. For example, instead of saying I'm a designer, say I design clean, modern logos for startups. Niching down makes you easier to find and hire. Step 3. Build a portfolio. Before clients pay you, they want proof of what you can do. So, create 3 to 5 sample projects that show your best work. These don't have to be real client projects, just examples that demonstrate your creativity and skills. You can design a mock logo, write a blog post, edit a demo video, or code a simple website. Step 4. Create strong freelancer profiles on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Use a professional photo, write a clear bio, and include your skills and keywords so clients can find you easily. Your profile should read like this: I help small businesses grow online with creative design and fast communication. Keep it friendly, confident, and client-focused. Step 5. Set up your pricing. When you're just starting, it's okay to charge lower rates to build reviews and experience, but never undersell yourself. Focus on delivering great value first, then gradually raise your prices as you gain credibility. Step 6. Start pitching and applying for jobs. On Upwork, send custom proposals for each job. Don't copy and paste generic messages. Instead, read what the client needs and write a short, honest pitch explaining how you can help and what result they'll get. The personal touch always stands out. Step 7. Deliver your best work and build relationships. When you get your first clients, treat them like gold. Communicate clearly, meet deadlines, and be polite. Happy clients often give you repeat work and recommend you to others, which helps you grow faster than constantly chasing new clients. Step 8. Market yourself outside freelancing platforms. Create social media pages for your freelance brand on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. Share tips, before and after projects, or testimonials. People love seeing behind the scenes of good work. This builds trust and helps attract clients directly without platform fees. Step 9. Learn basic business and money management. As a full-time freelancer, you're both the boss and the employee. Track your income, save for taxes, and reinvest in better tools or courses to improve your skills. Use apps like Notion or Trello to plan your projects, and tools like Payoneer or Wise for smooth international payments. Step 10. Stay consistent and upgrade regularly. Many people start freelancing with excitement but quit too soon. The truth is, success takes time. Your first month might be slow, but with persistence, things pick up. Keep updating your portfolio, keep learning new tools, and stay active in your niche community. Join Facebook or LinkedIn groups for freelancers in your field. They often share tips, client leads,